Hello everyone. Well, I wasn't planning on doing a video today, but I've been tagged by Pam at Blues Food for the Taking Care of Business challenge, and as you can see, Rosie is taking care of business, so we're going to crack on with that. Okay Rose, which business are you taking care of right now? The beans.
And as you can see,
we've got loads. These are really prolific, these ones, aren't they?
Yeah.
Rose has been picking for quite some time and we've still got loads. And as you can see, there are flowers too, and the bees are very busy around here. They love these flowers, so we're just going to continue getting more and more beans off of this. This is such a great plant, and I still haven't looked it up to see what it is. I'm going to go climbing French beans, that's my guess. But I will look it up, so you'll have to look for future episodes to see exactly what it is. So Rose is doing that. I've been picking some of our green beans here. These, again, the flowers are coming back, so I was thinking about pulling those up, but I'm going to leave those because I think we're going to get some more. But I am going to take up these purple Teepee French beans. Now with these, you can see they're sort of gone over. There's no flowers on them and there's no young beans on them, so they're going to be going over now. Now beans are good nitrogen fixers, so I'm just going to cut these off at the base, doing this completely around the wrong way and taking them out like that. I'm going to leave the roots in to fix the nitrogen into the soil. So I'm just going to go along and get rid of these plants. They've given us a really good crop this year. I'm just going to continue clearing those. Okay, that's all done, and we've tied up this bean which was crawling along the floor, and Rose is taking care of business over here.
I'm cutting this bottle gourd off.
That's it, a bit higher. Whoa, that's massive.
We got another one that we might be able to pick very soon.
Okay, we'll put that one over here with our harvests.
Oh. This bottle gourd.
And we've picked the peppers and chilies from the greenhouse, and we've got a few tomatoes. Let's have a look at the other gourd, darling.
The other gourd is just there. I don't think
Oh yeah, that's big enough as well.
Oh,
yep.
okay, I'll take it.
We'll take that one as well.
Oh, this is going down. Yeah.
The arches have done well, haven't they?
Yep.
Okay, that's the gourd done. And now I've had a look at our pumpkin. If you remember from the last video, it actually got broken there. Now the stem is going yellow, so we are going to cut this now so it doesn't rot. So just cut it where it's broken there. So it is a bit early, but we can eat this one.
Yeah.
So Rose, that's our first pumpkin of the year. Do you want to pick that up? See how heavy it is? I'll hold the secateurs.
Are you sure I go to be able to do it?
Of course. It's not huge.
Wow, this is heavy. Heavy.
Okay, just walk it over there onto the grass. There we go. Not bad. What should we do with this one? What should we make with it?
Oh, pumpkin pie and pumpkin cookies.
That sounds very good to me.
Yep.
Or maybe some pumpkin bread. We like the pumpkin bread, don't we?
Yes, we do. Or maybe some pumpkin balls.
Pumpkin balls?
Yes.
What do you mean?
Pumpkin balls.
I have no idea what you mean.
I forgot the name. Oh yes, the steamed balls.
Oh, the steamed buns.
Yeah.
The little Chinese steamed buns. Oh, I'd forgotten about those. They were really nice, weren't they?
Yes, the pumpkin ones.
We'll make those as well.
Yep.
Okay. Rose has stopped for a snack break over there. So I've come round to our other pumpkin beds. You can see they're small. They're ripening, but I'm hoping they're going to grow. And I'm going to pick a few courgettes. We've just grown the one plant this year. You all know how it goes with courgettes. You end up getting loads of them. But, I'm going to make some bhajis. Courgette and onion bhajis. We like those. And I make a big batch for the freezer. So that will do us. We've still got a few little ones coming on that. Look at that cute little pumpkin. Can't wait to eat these. Right, moving on. Carrot bed. Okay, I'm going to harvest all of these and we're going to make some carrot soup. We've got some that have grown very big. Crikey. Blimey!
Whoa!
That's like a parsnip. Wow. Okay, let's hope they're all that size. Right, I just wanted to show you these long ones. How long's that? About 13, 14 inches. And we grow in a 6-inch deep bed. I mean, it's not perfectly straight. It's not going to win in competitions. But it is a really good sized carrot. And there are a few people that think you need to have really deep beds to grow carrots in, another root veg. This is proof you don't. We never have, and we do great with carrots. So we're going to continue pulling these. This is the snowball variety, and we'll see what's next. Right, here are our carrots. The white ones, we've got yellow ones. We must have been picking the yellow ones because there wasn't many left there. These are Nightbird, and then we have, I forgot what they were, probably some kind of nonce, those ones. So these are our carrots. Rose is just finishing off weeding the bed. There's not that many there. Right, Rose is over there picking her potatoes. Just check the sweet corn, it's not ready yet. Now I'm looking at her weedy beds here. This one, there was a carrot. There were some carrots going to seed, so we left them. I think, oh, we'll harvest some seeds off of these. But as you can see, they're just taking forever. So I think I might just pull them up. My patience is wearing thin. You know, carrot seeds are easy to get hold of. We've got so many packets. I thought it would be an interesting experiment, but that one's taller than I am. So that's goosefoot. We have been picking that and eating some of that, but yeah, I've had enough of this now, so I'm just going to pull this and also this one. Rose, what would you like to put in these beds over winter?
Well, I think we could put in some carrots maybe.
Some carrots? I might have a late variety of carrot.
Yes, you do.
Yeah, okay, so we'll put in carrots. What else would you like to put in?
Maybe some, oh, I don't know.
Or some kale?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll put some kale, and then we can leave a couple of beds for garlic.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll do that then.
Look at this potato.
Oh, it looks like a snowman.
Well, it's two that joined together.
It is. And Rose is getting some strawberries. So nice late crop of those. These are El Santa. So I've had to, I was just strimming and going around the edge of these beds, these two beds which are now weeded. I've just stopped so the bits don't flick up onto Rose. Was that it? Why don't you check the other beds, darling? Check the other two beds just in case there's any late strawberries on them. And then she's going to get another. There's Nick taking care of big business. Yeah, so she's going to get some more blackberries. And Nick is over by our compost bins at the back there. Some of the ash had started to grow and it was too big for me to pull up, as you saw. But Nick's tall and got the muscles, so he pulled those up for us. So, what other business have we got left? I mean, this is very overgrown over here. Should be alright once it's had a strim and a mow. It'll look much tidier. Sweet corn's not ready. The potatoes are over there, ready to go home. I've started to trim here where the wheat was, and we'll put the black plastic down. So yeah, lots of taking care of business today. I keep saying that. I hope that's what you're supposed to do. It's the first time I've been tagged in anything. Right, so this is our video for taking care of business that we've been tagged on, and it's actually been a couple of weeks since the last clip that you've just seen, because I've really not been very well. So these beans are still producing. We've literally just popped down very quickly before Rosie's archery lesson, and we're going to give her tutor some of these beans. She's just picking some peas. Everything's just overgrown again, but health comes first, and I'm waiting to go into hospital. So rather than taking care of this business, I'm going to be taking care of myself. Yeah, so that's how that's going to go. I do have some videos that are sort of half done that I've got in the pipeline. Very nice, Rose. These are in previous videos I kept saying I don't know what these are. They are climbing French beans. I'm not sure of the variety, but they definitely are French beans. So we're just going to crack on with this, and getting Rose to archery is about the only thing I'm managing at the moment, and that's it. So I just wanted to round off this video so I could get it up for you guys, and let you know why we've been quiet and why we might be quiet for a little while. I'm going into hospital next week. Yeah, so we shall see how that goes, and hopefully I'll get a full body transplant and be okay. So take care, everybody. I hope you're all well, and we'll see you soon. Bye bye.